I was on YouTube. Watch the TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We made the first stop out here, man. And right now we about to do this Tesla Model Y. It's a plaid edition. If you see it, this car is real dirty. You look at the wheels are dirty. Exterior of the car, you look at the road side of the car is pretty dirty, you know what I mean? So we're gonna make sure we get the exterior of the car taken care of first. We're gonna wash the exterior of the car, and then we're gonna focus on the interior of the car. Interior of the car usually be bad, but it's not as bad as to keep those matched. But if you look at the thing, still gotta go in here and wipe down the doors properly, make sure we get into the pockets. Vacuum the carpet real good, make sure it came out well. And then like I said, the seats, make sure you always pull those seats, because you see how this hiding. Pull those seats, stuff like that. We're gonna make sure we clean the seats, get the cup holders, things like that. Get in the back, stuff like this, and get in the back. But like I say, it's nothing we can't really handle. You see, you got the little windows right here, so we gotta make sure we clean those interior windows. They got this little suede top, but I love these Teslas, man. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Like I said, it's nothing that we can't handle over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. Like I said, this is the plaid edition. You know, we do a few of these, but this is the only plaid edition Model Y that we do. Most of them is the Model Y, the Model S. So, but other than that, man, it's a beautiful day. It's a little cloudy. It was raining earlier today, but other than that, it's supposed to be a glorious day. We do just 1 or 2 cars tomorrow, Sundays, Easter, so I won't be working. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do my job, wash the exterior of the car first, and then we knock on this interior. Then we got 2 more cars today. We gotta go do a BMW, and then we gotta do a Mercedes-Benz. So today gonna be pretty light, and then we're gonna go do something with the kids today. But like always, man, y'all know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So make sure you take pride in whatever y'all doing. And then, you know, with these cars, they got all these different cameras on here to help the car, when it's driving, self-driving car. Also got cameras in the back, stuff like that. And just the side, so go ahead and get it cracking, man. I'm gonna stop running my mouth, man, and get the car clean. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this first car today, man. Literally took me 2 hours to get the car done, but it's all good. All about making sure I do the job sufficiently. And I also want to just make sure the customer always super satisfied with the service. But we got the car completely done. Exterior of the car came out well. If you remember, wheels was very dirty. We had road grime all side down the side of the car, things like that. So we got that up. And then if you remember, it had literally debris, trash everywhere. We already took care of that too. So yeah, man, car came out well. About to go ahead and head to the next stop. Running a little late. Supposed to be there about 1. It's already close to 2. So you see it, man. Car came out well. Very satisfied with the work. I know she's gonna be satisfied with the work. So we about to go ahead, like I say, get out of here, head to the next appointment, put up the vacuum, things like that. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And on that note, I'm gonna catch you later. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. It feel like I've been out here all day, but it's because I had a late start because it was raining earlier. But that first car, it did take me 2 hours. Stopped and got lunch. Now I'm here working on the interior of this car. It's a little dirty, got dog hair, stuff like that. But this is a Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Right now, like I said, we already working on the interior. We already knocked this side out right here. So the interior on this side, completely done. We just got to get over there. Still got some dog hair. Wipe down the seats and the doors like that. We just actually finished right here. If you look at the doors and the carpet and the seat, and we got our good old Lily brush with us. We just got through wiping down the cup holders and the panels and stuff like that. But we still need to vacuum over there and in the back. And then we're gonna wash the exterior, and then we actually done here. And then we actually done for the day. My last customer said she'd rather me come tomorrow. And it's cool, because you know, I'm tired anyway. I was up pretty late last night. Really couldn't sleep. I felt myself kept waking up. Things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish the interior of this car, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute, man. Like always. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We didn't finish this last car today. Like I said, we only did 2 cars today. It's already close to 4 o'clock, man. Time has been flying. But we already knocked out this Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Like I told you, had a little bit of dog hair, just a little bit of stains and stuff like that, because she keep her dog in the car with her. But if you look at it, the car came out perfect. We got the whole car clean, vacuumed in the back. You see you got the dog toys, wiped down all the windows and things like that, cleaned the windows, sunroof. So right now we about to just go ahead and let her know we done so we can go ahead and get paid. Then we gonna head to the house. We gonna go home, change our clothes, hop in the trusty old Mary Jane and go grab these kids. But like always, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing in life. You know what I mean? Like I say, no matter whatever you're doing, take pride in it because you only get one life to live. And just make sure whatever you're doing, you love it. You know what I mean? You gotta find that passion, man. You don't wanna waste your time doing something that you really wanna do and then look up, you're 40, 50 years old and then you got regrets. So don't regret nothing, man. You gotta learn to live with regrets like Jay-Z said. And like I said, my bad, y'all. We gotta finish this car. We got it all nice and done. Like always, man. Like always, man. One love. Look in the mirror. Say I love you. Love thyself. You know what I mean? Always try to give yourself some words of affirmation if you need to get words of affirmation, things like that. But just remember, loving yourself, man. That's the key to life. And on that note, like always, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.